Easter table decoration are great fun for an Easter. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you two DIY. Let's get started. But my friends, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so when I upload a new video, you're the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and please do watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. Isn't it very super easy to make with little bit of imagination? This craft will look so beautiful on your table this Easter. Hope this video is very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make one, please share with me on any of my social media with #Sangeeta's Creations. And do let me know which one is your favorite in comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.